Oop.
Oh no, yes, I think food's
Yeah, well, yeah, that's the big
we don't
thing.
have been fighting over food.
Right.
And he left. It's okay, we'll get you guys together when you're playing. Yes, it's better when they're out there and
Yep.
they're just gonna play. We'll get them with Cass. Nobody can leave. Nobody can leave the room. Let's distract you. Mike and Jan +6.
Oh, he's doing the hop.
Which one?
On the right, to your right, the black, the dark one.
Oh, him. No, he's not doing the 4-foot hop, though,
No.
is he?
No.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, they were really enjoying this yesterday. What are you doing over there? What are you doing? What are you doing? My hands must be in the way.
That's okay.
Good jumper. Come on, up, up. Here, play. Yeah, shine. I like that on the side.
Oh, time for a snack.
My back hurts so much. I think it was from the gardening now.
Oh, could be.
Good boy. That's right. You scratch. Scratch. Did you just do that?
He just went through. Yeah.
You made it move?
Oh, look, he's trying to get out.
He's stuck. Hey, you. I'm back.
He can't get out. It's too heavy.
No, Cassidy has pushed it already when I hadn't gone
Okay.
to play.
Heidi's not into playing today.
What?
Oh, look at this.
Black.
Heidi's not into it today, so far.
Well, shoot. Yeah. Well, she got distracted by it. Nobody gets it. Yeah, on the street. Nobody gets it.
Oops, little cat fight.
Oh. Ooh. Hey. Whoever you are. Hi. Tommy Heidi. Come on. Stop that. Good boys. Girls. Are you king and mountain?
Huh. It's the kitten bowl.
Well, this is the exercise room. Glad someone's using it. Are you gonna make a stinko? Yeah. Playtime. You're really bold. You're really bold. See, when she grabs at something, watch her toes. Look, see?
Oh,
How
yeah.
they're all like,
Yep, they're out.
but they're polished. See what I mean? Watch. Come here. Look at her toes.
Yep.
Like they're all defined. Where you going? Where you going? Playtime. Pull the doll out with this paws. See? It's gonna be a cat fight. No, that's a piece of. It's been chewed up by other cats.
What was that?
That's pee. I don't know.
Maybe.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna transfer them over this week sometime to a little
Okay.
bit more sand. Yeah. And I'm not getting more of that cat food. Get science style. Well, you know me. How did you?
You want to come out? You want to explore?
Oh boy, you better get out. You smell it?
No. There he goes. It's okay.
Well,
I'm sure I'll get plenty of whiffs. Not worried about it.
you're a good boy too.